Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to KuCoin. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and do subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Trust Wallet application. Once you have logged into your Trust Wallet account, after that, you just need to click on this manage crypto button at the bottom, and in the search bar you have to simply search for USDT, and here you can see USDT is on different networks. I'm gonna use this USDT on Tron network. You can select any other network according to your requirements. After selecting this, you just need to tap on this send button at the bottom left corner and you will be landed on this send USDT page. Here you will need to paste your wallet address and the amount of USDT you are transferring into your KuCoin account. In order to find this wallet address, you just need to minimize your Trust Wallet, and after that what you can do is to simply open your KuCoin application. Once you have logged into your KuCoin account, after that you just need to click on this assets tab at the bottom right corner, and here you can see this deposit crypto button, so you just have to tap on this. After that, here you can see list of cryptocurrencies, so in this search bar you have to search for USDT and click on it. After that, you need to select a network from here. You can select any network according to your requirements, but always make sure to select same network on both sides or you will lose all your funds. Now I'm going to select TRC20 because I have also selected Tron TRC20 in Trust Wallet, so make sure to select same network here also. And here you can see your USDT Tron wallet address along with the QR code, so you just have to copy this address, click on got it, and after copying, reopen your Trust Wallet and enter a pin code and paste your wallet address here. Now enter the amount of USDT you are transferring into KuCoin. After that, tap on this next button at the bottom. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to KuCoin, and that's how you can transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to KuCoin. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and do subscribe to our channel for more videos.